Hey everyone, this is Eric at Palm Harbor Homes Factory Direct Outlet of Bryan. It's a hot one, but that's not going to stop me from talking about this week's edition of Why Palm Harbor. And here we are in the LaBelle, and you take a look at the beautiful flooring over here, the seamless floor. But that's not what we want to talk about on today. It's actually what we want to talk about is what underneath it, the tongue and groove OSB floor decking. So our floor decking is thicker and stronger than the traditional flooring. The unique tongue and groove application greatly reduces floor squeaks and adds tremendous strength to the floor joist. It is secured with an alpha glue and then also ring shanks that provide superior structural integrity and durability, while also offering resistance and moisture and condensation. So what's the benefit to you? So a stronger, more stable floor system, what that'll do, it'll ensure you of minimal maintenance and repair expense. It'll also increase the long-term value of your investment and the years of comfortable, hassle-free enjoyment of your home. And I'm purposely walking through the house as I'm talking, as you can barely notice that I'm making any type of sound. And that's what you're going to get. You realize that I'm 3 feet in the air, and it doesn't even feel like it. It's a well-built, quality Palm Harbor home with this strong OSB floor decking. And there you have it. Hey, one other thing I do want to point out too, that a lot of places when you come across their homes and how they lay out their subfloor, they're going to come across and lay the sheets flat. Well, with our decking, you're going to come in staggered to add a little bit more extra strength to your house. And then also, you're never having to worry about those soft spots that traditional manufactured homes have. So again, what it's going to do for you guys, it's going to save you time, it's going to save you money. So again, this is Eric with Palm Harbor Homes Factory Direct Outlet of Bryan. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you happen to have any questions about this one or any other videos, just give me a call at 979-775-7558. Or come see me at Palm Harbor Homes Factory Direct Outlet of Bryan, where you can find the right place for the right price with the right people.